This story is explosive. It is secret, it is leaked, and it has the power to shake India-Canada relationship again. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Autry, and at the center of this storm, there is a jailed gangster, a foreign intelligence report, and an allegation that crosses international red line. The question being asked in Canada, it is shocking. Is Lawrence Bishnoi, one of India's most feared gang leader, working for the Indian government? Again, let me tell you one thing. It is not proven, not accepted by India at all, but claimed in the confidential Canadian report. This report comes from Canada's top police force, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, the RCMP. The document was never meant to be public, but it has now been leaked to the media. And what it alleges, it is disturbing. First, let's know Lawrence Bishnoi here, a notorious gang leader behind bars in India since 2015. Currently lodged in high security jail in Gujarat, officially he should be cut off from the outside world. But the report claims otherwise. Here's the core claim. Even from jail, Bishnoi is allegedly running a global criminal network. Extortion, drug trafficking, contract killing across India, across North America, across Europe. Through encrypted phones, through trusted lieutenants. And yes, the most sensitive allegation comes next here. The report claims that Bishnoi gang is not acting alone. It alleges the gang is being used to target 6 separatist and pro-Khalistan figures abroad. Again, this is a Canadian claim and not an established fact. The report names names also. It mentions the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar in Surrey in 2023, a case that already positioned India-Canada relationship at the highest dangerous level. It also mentions killing in Winnipeg. The document claims intercepted communication connected these attacks to higher level actors. And this is where diplomacy enters dangerous territory because the report, it alleges links to the Indian officials, not local police, not any rogue actor, senior figures. Though India strongly denies this again and again, but the timing is not random. This report surfaces just as India-Canada are preparing to restart their trade talks. Trust is fragile, diplomatic wounds, they are fresh. And now this leak. Well, this is not the very first time when Canada has made such claims. In fact, back in October 2024, Canada publicly accused Indian agents of working with Bishnoi gang. India responded sharply, calling the accusations absurd, politically motivated. The fallout, it was immediate. Diplomats were expelled, ambassadors were recalled, and relationship, they were plunged. You know what should have been a partnership? It turned into public standoff. But in the end, let me clear India's position here. There is no evidence that has been shared publicly. There is no proof that has been accepted. Indian authorities have not yet confirmed any link between the state and the criminal gang here. There is just silence or denial. It all continues. But you know why this matters? Because if proven, it would mean criminal networks being used across the borders, just like the US maybe. Because if fails, it would mean a dangerous accusation made without any accountability. Well, either way, this is not a small claim. This story is not about one gangster. It is about the trust between two nations. It's about intelligence leak. It's about how far geopolitics has drifted.